Tired of spending countless hours building your WordPress website from scratch? In this video, we'll show you how to harness the power of AI to create a stunning WordPress site in record time, even if you're a complete beginner. First, let's talk plugins. There are several AI-powered options available directly from the WordPress plugin repository. Head over to your WordPress dashboard and click on Plugins, then Add New in the search bar. Try searching for keywords like AI Website Builder, AI Content Generator, or AI SEO Optimizer. Pay close attention to user reviews and ratings before installing any plugin. For this tutorial, we will be using one of the well-known AI Website Builder called Example AI. Click Install Now and then Activate once the plugin is installed. Now, let's see what it can do. Most AI website builders will ask you some questions about your website or business. Make sure you are ready to answer questions about your company and services. The AI will use this information to suggest a design, layout, and even generate initial content for your pages. Be sure to review the suggestions and tweak them to match your brand and vision. Don't be afraid to try different prompt requests to get better results. After the initial setup, you can go ahead and ask the AI to create more content. For example, you can ask it to rewrite sections or generate blog posts. Remember to always proofread AI-generated content before publishing. While AI is powerful, it's not perfect. Once you're happy with the look and feel of your website, don't forget to optimize it for search engines. Look for AI plugins that can suggest relevant keywords, generate meta descriptions, and analyze your content for SEO best practices. That's it. By using AI-powered plugins, you can simplify your website development process, create professional websites faster, and focus on what matters most: your business. For more tips and tricks on using AI in WordPress, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.